Harriet Tubman exemplified the I Am Protection Award. She escaped slavery in 1849. She risked her life 13 times by going back into the South to lead 300 family members and other Black people out of slavery. She served as a Civil War nurse. She was an abolitionist and advocate for women's suffrage. She was the first woman in America to conduct an armed military raid against enslavers. Yes, Harriet represented the I Am Protection Award. Celebrate the warrior's commitment of Harriet Tubman, a true embodiment of I Am Protection, by finding and celebrating today's Harriet Tubmans. Who is that person or organization with Harriet's love of people and her courage in the face of seemingly insurmountable evil and opposition? Who do you believe will stand for the physical, mental, and spiritual well-being of Black people and carry forward the warrior tradition of Harriet in the fields of child abuse prevention, violence prevention and community safety, trauma prevention and resilience or self-defense? Nominate a hero at HigherSelfAwards.org. Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products at iamproducts.store. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.